doing today? This is another recipe from the Remnant One, and today I'm going to make whole wheat spaghetti uh, just with vegetable sauce. A simple vegetable sauce, nothing special. All right, you can make your sauce whatever you want, whether you want it with cheese or you want uh, I don't know, extra beef or extra pork. I don't know. You can make it the way you want to make it, but mine's going to be like a chunky vegetable. So I have like 1 pound of this ground beef. This is like extra lean, the green pepper, onion, and the tomato sauce. And I also have a whole wheat spaghetti. Okay. So I'm going to go on and start this stuff right now. I'm going to cook the meat first. Okay. Put it in my little new wave stove here. And also spice it up real quick. So, yeah, some Italian seasoning, garlic, pepper, salt. Let's see, oregano, onion powder, and I may get a little bit brave, and I'm gonna put some crushed red pepper in mine just so I can have a little spicy flavor. Let me see here. Yeah, that's all the ingredients that I need right now. So let me go on and get this stuff started. All right, so I got my little stove set at 425 degrees. So it's kind of like medium high. And I have it well seasoned with all the spices that I put in my last little clip. Okay, so I'm going to mix this ground beef around maybe about 10 minutes. And now I'm going to put the vegetables in. I'm going to let the meat cook first. Okay, so I got this ground beef mixed around. I'm gonna let it cook for another 5 minutes. And also I got some canned tomato. Now I don't like canned tomato, but this will do for right now because I don't feel like going to the store and get it. So while this is cooking, and this needs to be cooked on a little bit lower heat here. Actually, I'm gonna turn it up to about 200. Okay. And while that's simmering, I'm going to go on and dice up these vegetables. I'll be right back. Okay, so my onions, diced tomato, everything's diced, the bell peppers. So I'm gonna let this simmer for about 5 minutes, and then we'll put the sauce in there. All right, so this is kind of simmered for about 5 minutes. I got it on 200, and I'm going to turn this up a little bit more to about 250. So while this is simmering, I'm going to go and put, this is tomato, basil, garlic sauce in here. Stir it around and let this simmer probably about 20 minutes. Okay, maybe a little bit less, 10 or so minutes on 300-degree temperature. Yep, Corona lockdown cooking, ladies and gentlemen. All right, see how easy this is to make. Okay. Boom. All right, I'm gonna put the top on this. Set this for about, about 10 minutes or so, 12 minutes. And let's see here. This will cook at about 300 degrees for 12 minutes. Yeah, something like that, 290. Okay, and we'll be back and we'll get that spaghetti rolling. Okay, so I got 32 ounces of water in my pressure cooker. I'm going to pressure cook my spaghetti, but I'm going to get this water boiling first. So I'm going to set it for like 3 minutes, just long enough to get the water boiling, and open it back up and put the spaghetti in there. Okay, I got my water boiling, okay, and my sauce is pretty much done, okay, and during those 12 minutes, when you let those simmer, you want to stir it around so it won't stick to the pan in the event, okay? So let me put this down just for a second, the camera. I'm gonna get my whole wheat salt spaghetti. Okay, take this stuff out of the wrapper here. Okay, and I'm going to put my spaghetti in here. Okay, like so. Some people like to break their noodles, but I'm gonna have to break these so they can fit in the pan here. So some of them I'm gonna have to break. See. All right. Oh well. It's all going down the pipe anyway, right? All right. Now, I'm going to cover this up. Let it cook for, I'm going to have to reset it here. Maybe about 7 or 8 minutes, something like that. Let's see what it looks like then. Put my top back on my sauce here, okay, and let this cook on through. Be right back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that's pretty much it. In between segments, hold on real quick. Oh, from the pepper. Sorry about that. Goes uptight. All right. I pretty much seasoned the noodles or the spaghetti with the pepper and salt, 2 tablespoons of butter, garlic, onion powder, oregano, and here's my sauce. The sauce is ready. So I'm gonna eat this tomorrow. Tonight is Saturday, and I'm gonna go out and go get some lift rods and eat this for Sunday dinner, along with this garlic bread. So that's pretty much it. This probably took all in all about 30 or 40 minutes to make. But if you like this video, feel free to subscribe, okay, share with your friends. And stay tuned for the next recipe or cleaning tip, I'm sorry. Okay, till next time.